Common GMC Yukon infotainment issues include black screens, no sound, and constant resets. These are often caused by software glitches or hardware problems. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button on the infotainment system for 10 to 15 seconds. This reboots the system and often clears temporary glitches. If the soft reset doesn't work, check the infotainment fuse. It's typically a 10 to 15 amp fuse located in the fuse box under the dashboard. Look for any blown fuses and replace them. For Yukon models from 2021 onward, ensure you have the latest software version 8.11 or higher. Use the OnStar app or visit a dealership for updates. These often fix bugs without needing expensive hardware replacements. Regular battery checks can prevent 70% of infotainment resets according to a 2025 GM technician survey. For older Yukon models, official support may be discontinued, but aftermarket solutions and DIY repairs are viable options. If basic fixes fail, more advanced troubleshooting may be needed. A hard reset, by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 30 minutes, can clear the system's cache. Persistent issues may indicate hardware failure, such as a faulty audio amplifier or display module, requiring professional diagnostics. Remember, hardware failures still account for 30% of black screen cases. Looking ahead, GMC is integrating cloud-based infotainment with AI-driven features and self-healing software to prevent resets. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, reducing wired connectivity problems. By 2026-27, fully modular infotainment units are planned, offering real-time error correction. While repair costs can range from $500 to $1,000, consider exploring DIY solutions via online forums if comfortable, but be mindful of warranty implications. Keep an eye out for subscription-based update plans like GM's Ultimate Choice for ongoing OTA fixes.